Hi. The best walk behind lawn mower do not have to be the most expensive tool. This model attaining high performance and great results. And available on the market at very reasonable and cheap prices. First, let's see the features of this great product.
Introducing the Mow Joe MJ501M 18-inch manual reel mower with grass catcher from Joe. No gas, no oil or electricity. Weighing just 28 pounds, Mow Joe is an easy-to-use lightweight and maneuverable mower. Mow Joe has an 18-inch wide cutting path and a 9-position adjustment lever to tailor the length of your lawn up to 2.5 inches for the right height every time. Mow Joe's sleek dual-wheel design and 5 razor reel steel blades ensure a crisp, clean cut with each pass for a picture-perfect lawn you'll love. The MJ501M comes equipped with a 6.6-gallon rear collection bag to neatly catch all the clippings for the ultimate and eco-friendly convenience. A non-slip grip ensures precise control and wicks away moisture for maximum comfort and control. The Joe Mow Joe is maintenance-free and comes with a full 2-year warranty to ensure reliability season after season. For a perfectly simple and simply perfect way to maintain your lawn, go with Joe. The Mow Joe MJ501M 18-inch manual reel mower with grass catcher from Joe. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.